Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to post any images or picture or painting or drawing on Cara art and social application. So first of all you need to enter your Cara application, and this is your newsfeed of Cara. So what you need to do, you can upload photos two ways. First of all, you can tap on the plus icon, or you can tap on the what's happening. So I'm just going to what's happening, or you can tap on the plus icon. So I'm just going to tap on the plus icon. Then you can write anything, but you can see the image icon. Simply tap on the image. Then you will see all your images available on your device. So I'm just going to, so you can say just going to upload this image. You can add on your profile like beautiful picture, so then post. So it takes few moments to post on your timeline. So this way you can add photos. So if you want to check like beautiful picture, so you can see it's added. If you want to see on your timeline on your profile, then go to timeline, and you can see it's added on your timeline. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.